Good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with Smart Option Trading. It is Friday. Happy Friday, the 31st of January. This is our week in review, and this is the end of January. So, as of 4 o'clock today, the stock market closes and 1 month gone already. It's been a very volatile month. Market's up for the month. That's good. By the way, you want to join me? Link in the description. Come over to Smart Trading, smartoptiontrading.com. Looks like this. Click on Live Trading Alerts, and we'd love to have you. All right. So, it's been a volatile month. We're closing it out. We have inflows on Monday morning. And you can see the SPY today was looking great, and we've dumped. And we've dumped here on tariffs. The market is now very concerned because the White House is signaling and Trump is signaling that we're going to get tariffs starting tomorrow, 25% on Canada and Mexico, and 10% additional on China. And the market is selling off on this. We'll see. It's going to be a very volatile week, and I get the feeling. Bottom line is we got within about 80 cents of the all-time high before we reversed, and here we are back on the 8-day right now with about 30 to go. Volume is now up, elevated. It was not. Volume was dead quiet. You can see volume has come in and stayed in now since we had this. We'll see how the market reacts come Monday morning. We'll see what we actually get. One thing for sure, no change under Trump's administrations. We get a lot of volatility in the markets. You can see that in the size of the candles we've had since the election back in November. Right. So, we'll see. Overall, we're still holding in. The good news is, if Jeff Hirsch, love Jeff, thanks. We do spaces together. And the three indicator barometers of the year. We didn't get the Santa Claus rally. We did get the positive first 5 days of January, and barring a massive fall with less than 30 to go, which I don't think we can even get there with the halts, we're going to get a positive January. As and the old saying is, as January goes, so goes the market. By the way, Intel February 7th, 19 calls alerting. All right, so let's go and look around some other things and talk what's going on here. The VIX on the highs of the day still hasn't gone anywhere but up here at this point. HYG down. Bonds, which were up earlier, are getting beaten up pretty good, and the dollar here is pushing up as well. The Dow got right up to very close to the all-time high before it reversed. The IWM was trying to break the 50-day again and got drilled. And the Qs, which had been stronger, also, sorry about that, also reversing hard here. The SMHs, which were in the gap, come right back out of it. You can see a big change in character there. As we speak, Jensen is currently meeting with Trump. We'll find more about that probably after the close and what exactly they're discussing. NVIDIA today was a big, I can't type today. NVIDIA had a big move up, almost got to the 8-day and into the gap and got slammed down. It's back on the lows. AMD is down as well again. Intel, I mean, I don't know why anybody wants to be in this right now. This is dead money. Nothing good going on there. Avgo was also pushing in that gap and came back in. What did we trade today? Today was about, for me, Tesla and Nvidia, and I trade the SPX. Tesla's been in play all week long. We've been trading in and out of this. Tesla's still in this channel. When you look at this, it's still in these purple lines. It's still in the middle of this channel. Looked like it wanted to break out today, getting brought back in with this. Apple, we traded that after hours last night live. This is about as ugly of a candle as I've ever seen on Apple intraday during the day, right? It gapped up. The open was a high. I didn't touch Apple today. Why? Here's your first 5 minute candle. It never gave me a reason to get involved in it. And here we are back on the 100-day, and we just sliced through levels today like they weren't there, and they just didn't want it. They sold that report. Right? So that's where we're at with that. What else? Boeing gave trades this week. I can't believe I traded Boeing, but it's holding up nicely. Excuse me. Meta gave some trades. We traded that one. All-time highs yesterday, holding in well. We'll keep an eye on that. We traded Netflix, being a pain, still can't break out. It's so close to breaking out here, just can't quite go, but it looks good. Next week we have Amazon, just shy of the all-time high. Google put an all-time high as well in today, looking very good. The banks down a little bit today. JP Morgan hit a new all-time high before coming down. Goldman, the same thing. They're still holding in great. So with that said, guys, we'll see what the tariffs are. We'll go from there next week. We'll hang out. I don't know if I'm going to get charged or not this week, and I'm supposed to go away. If I'm away for the weekend, I'll just do the video and I'll post that for free for everybody as well. I'm wishing you guys a wonderful weekend. If you want to join us, link in the description below. We'd love to have you. Everybody have a wonderful, wonderful weekend.